nieces and nephews, it's Auntie. Yeah, you know, Auntie Nell's Kitchen. Welcome back. I know you like, she's sitting down. Yes, but I have on my apron that says when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. And I've got a big barrel of lemons I need to make some lemonade out of, okay? And I did a upload today where I decided to dedicate a video to all my fellow warriors out there who are dealing with a bushels, whether it's small, medium, large, or extra large, jumbo bushels of lemons. And you know, you got to make that lemonade. So today, this is what my upload was. My lemon mascarpone cream pie. Yes, having some technical difficulties. My husband is working on that so it can get uploaded to my YouTube channel. So again, I dedicated that, and I also had made a special shout out to my good friend Tita Talks, TITATALKS or Z. I get confused. Okay, I get the last letter, but love her. And so, guys, in pre-retirement, love you too. I just love all of my love. I love all of my subs. I love you guys so much, and I really appreciate your love and support. But tomorrow I have a huge important doctor's appointment. Many of you don't know I have a cervical fusion. I have a 14-inch rod from here to here down my back. I've been having a lot of problems lately with losing the use of my arm and my shoulder, and they said there's nothing they could do about that. It's all pointing to the hardware in my spine. So I have to return to the surgeon that built the spine. So I go tomorrow. So I asked of your thoughts, your prayers. Squeeze a lemon in my honor, you know, virtually through your comments. Send me your prayers, your thoughts. Because when I had that surgery before, I was a quadriplegic for 8 weeks. And I'm not going to lie, I'm scared to death. I'm literally scared of them having to reopen that scar and fooling around with that rod and those screws. So again, but until then, I cut me a piece of this out. Yes. And I put it in the freezer. And you know, they're not going to eat this whole pie. I wish I knew some of you that was local. You would be getting a whole lot of goodies. Now, I know my good buddy Anita, she's in my subdivision. She's also one of my subs. And I know you follow me and you got that bell on. So, you know, hit me up. You want this, okay? Love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye. Remember, send those prayers. Positive mind, body, spirit. Talk to you later. Love you guys. Bye.